Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got a finish for you. This is an item that I got from BeeBeeCraft and I really enjoyed working on this. This is Totoro. So here you can see I have completed him. He was done in cross stitch and then the little details were done in back stitch and then two little French knots for his eyes. Looking back at my notes, I received this kit on around the 11th of September. So it's roughly taken me a month, but I haven't worked on him every day. He's been like the thing I did while sat watching telly. There was obviously a lot of grey, so I broke that up into little patches and worked on bits at a time, but I really enjoyed it and I'm really pleased with how he's come out at the end. So this was so much fun. Absolute ridiculous price of £1.09 because it was in the sale at 50% off. I will pop links down below to all the items I got from that particular cross stitch haul so that you can go and check them out, because obviously prices are subject to change. However, you can always make use of my code, which is Crafty10 on the screen right now, and get yourself 10% off whatever those prices are. I am going to take this guy away and give him a little wash now so that you can see what he looks like after he's been soaked in warm water and all of this extra zhuzh around him and the little bits of colour that you can still see underneath the white, they are all gone. And then I will bring him back and show you him all finished. Okay, so finally we are all done. Totoro is dried, everything is lovely. You can see that all of that ink has washed off beautifully. I just left it to dry flat. I haven't ironed it yet, but I will do before it goes into a frame. So this, I really enjoyed working on this, as I said. Definitely would recommend grabbing one for yourself. I will make sure all the links are down below as always. Don't forget to check out everything else that they have on offer and use my discount codes where possible. Thank you for joining me on this little stitchy witchy journey. If you have enjoyed this, let me know down in the comments so that I know to make more stitchy witchy videos for you. Thank you specifically to my patrons. You make this all worthwhile. Thank you so, so much from the bottom of my witchy little heart. And to everybody else, please do remember to leave a like, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't already, become a member of the Crafty Coven. And until next time, stay crafty.